Well, here we are, Wendy and I making our silly little bird noises, trying to attract some jungle critters. There is parrots flying around here, you can hear
There
it.
is? Yeah. One of them landed.
We are in the Hawaiian rainforest here on the island of Oahu.
We're in Jurassic Park.
It's a huge Oak Island pine behind me here, just massive.
Waiting for
another
the
one there.
T-Rex to come out.
Very windy, huh?
Oh my goodness.
It is really windy.
Beautiful.
So what do you think of all this, Miss T?
So amazing.
It's warm,
Yeah.
windy. It's humid, but not as bad as it was last year.
Yeah, last year was...
Last year was maybe more humid.
The breeze, there's a really nice
Very
breeze.
nice breeze.
Yeah,
Oh.
last year was very muggy and warm and like,
Wow.
oh my god. It's really windy.
It's freaky in here because I'm worried about a branch breaking off.
Big seed.
Seed, yeah, there says warning falling fruit.
Yeah.
Get clocked in the head by a freaking coconut.
Softballs.
Yeah.
In the head and knocked
It is
out.
really
Yeah.
windy up here in the hills. We're up in the Manoa Hills.
Looks like little caves over there.
Anyway, I guess we're gonna march on. Nice. We just had some great pasta.
My water's gone.
That sucks.
You really need a lot to drink.
Oh my god.
Wow. You know what? I'd rather be here now than in a pouring in a rain.
This is beautiful.
Heavy rain.
Awesome.
The water would just roar down.
Windstorm in the Hawaiian rainforest. Look at the palms down there, man. It is a jungle. Look at that, Wendy. Look down there as far as you can look. It's just a forest of palms.
Wow.
There's thousands of them.
Isn't that great? It's like bamboo.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Isn't that
Yeah, it's
beautiful?
gorgeous.
Wow.
That's all, folks, for now.